Today is February 24th and we're back at it again to count down to your birthday.
Yeah.
Alrighty, you ready? Which one are you going to open this time?
This one, but before we get started, so y'all, did you remember what we got yesterday?
What was it yesterday?
Dun, 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 dun.
Yep, we got the little cowboy from Texas.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Punch. Oh my god, I just opened with one thing. So cool.
Alrighty.
Oh my god. It sounds like this Ryan, it looks like he's in a rain suit.
He's in a rain suit.
Let's see who did he get.
Oh. Show it to your Pacers.
Hello.
Ooh, look at this.
He's in bright yellow.
He's in bright yellow.
And there he is.
He's representing, what does that say? Do you know?
It's upside down. Because I'm upside down.
Connecticut.
And guess what?
What, baby?
This one almost looks like this one.
I know, it almost does, but we paid attention this time and made sure we got the right one, right?
Because do you know what? It's so easy because this one has red.
Yes.
And this one has blue inside.
Yep. Alrighty. Anything else you want to tell your Pacers before you go, Pace? Pacie, is there anything else you want to say?